Man, listen, let me give you a call right back and we'll go more into that. I got a video I'm doing right now, all right? All right, talk to you later. All right. Hey guys, Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Branch over on Patreon, but of course, you came here. Listen, I gave a little teaser to say we're going to talk about the roof. Now we are. And if I bore you, stay with me because I got a big announcement at the end of this video I want to show you about, all right? So what this is all about is JayGee here has been a real faithful friend all through COVID. It sat over the shop and it was basically the ready room. I stayed in it, basically lived in it the whole time. We got it out of there and now I need to get it ready, road ready. And I'll tell you why in a little bit. But a couple of things that I'm going to do before the 12th of this month. I'm going to take off the Continental kit. I've thought about it for years. I like with no wheel on the back. And we were smart enough when we did this palm front, it runs all the way through the back. So I'll be able to take that off. You say, well, what am I going to do? No spare. I won't need the spare, but I'm going to put it up on the roof. I'll show you a picture of what I'm going to put up there. Okay? So that's going to clean this up. Right? I'm going to go up on the roof, and there's some things up there that I need to do to clean up. I'm going to get rid of the antenna and things, so I'm going to show that to you. I've got it up in the air right now because I'm changing the rear suspension. You can see here, original airbags here. They're in good shape, but for years I've been working with, of course, the quad bag system, and before that the 4-bag system, and there were happens all the time. Hey brother, listen, I'm in the middle of a video. Let me call you right back. Okay. All right, I'll call you right back. Yep, happens all the time, all day. This is great. This is what I do, though. Thank you for calling. Thanks for putting me in your loop. But I've been thinking for many, many years about rear suspension and reliability, serviceability, safety, upgrading to new technologies and things. So I'm going to be making a trip on the 12th with a prototype that we had built between the 4 and the quad bag system. So stay tuned as I put it in, and I'll show you what's going on with that. All right, so right now, though, I need to get the roof ready for a trip. So look, come on up top and I'll show you what we're going to do, all right? Come on.